Today is Sunday. It is a sunny day. The sky is blue and there are no clouds. The birds sing in the trees. I wake up early in the morning. My clock shows 6:30 a.m. I get out of bed. I feel happy because I want to go to the beach today. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. Then I dry my hair with a towel. I go back to my room. I open the window. The fresh air comes in. I smile. Next, I choose my clothes. I wear a t-shirt and shorts. I also wear my sunglasses and my big yellow hat. The hat is new. I like it very much. I got it last week from the store. It was not expensive. I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I take out some bread, an egg, and a banana. I make a simple breakfast. I eat slowly and drink a glass of orange juice. It is fresh and sweet. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I look at the clock. It is 7:15 a.m. I still have time, so I prepare my bag. I put a towel, a bottle of water, and some snacks in my bag. I also put my phone and a book. The book is small and easy to read. I check the weather on my phone. It says it will be hot today. I smile again. I like hot days. They are good for swimming and walking on the sand. Before I leave the house, I check everything. Do I have my keys? Yes. Do I have money? Yes. I can buy an ice cream later. I put on my sandals and open the door. I say goodbye to my cat. She is sleeping on the chair. I walk to the bus stop. There are not many people. I wait for the bus. The bus comes at 7:40 a.m. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. There are trees, houses, and cars. I feel excited. I will have a fun day. A woman sits next to me. She smiles. I smile back. Where are you going? She asks. I am going to the beach, I say. That is nice, she says. Have a good day. The bus ride is not long. It takes about 20 minutes. I look at the sea from the window. It looks blue and beautiful. I think about the water, the waves, and the sand. I want to swim and play. Soon, the bus stops. I stand up. I take my bag. I get off the bus. I am near the beach now. I can see the sea. I can hear the sound of the waves. I feel the warm wind on my face. This is a perfect morning. I am ready for a great day. I arrive at the beach. The sun is bright. The sea is blue and big. There are many people. Some people lie on towels. Some people walk near the water. Some children build sandcastles. I smile. The beach is full of life. I find a place to sit. I put my towel on the sand. I take off my shoes and put them next to my bag. The sand is warm and soft. I sit down. I look at the sea. The waves move slowly. The sound is peaceful. I want to swim. I stand up. I walk to the water. I feel the sand under my feet. It feels nice. The water touches my toes. It is cool, but not cold. I walk deeper. I can swim now. Let's swim. I swim slowly. I move my arms and legs. The water is clean. There are some small fish. I can see them. They swim fast. I laugh. I feel happy. The sun shines on the water. It looks beautiful. After swimming, I go back to my towel. I sit and rest. I eat some snacks. I drink water. It is important to drink water on a hot day. I look around. What do I see? There is a family near me. The mother helps her son with a sand castle. The father takes photos. I wave at them. They wave back. I see a group of friends. They play volleyball. The ball goes up and down. They laugh a lot. A man sells ice cream. He walks on the beach. He has a big box. There are many flavors. I go to him. I ask, "What flavors do you have?" He says, "I have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry." I choose chocolate. I pay him and say thank you. The ice cream is sweet and cold. I enjoy it. I also take some photos. I take a picture of the sea. I take a picture of the sky. There are birds in the sky. They fly in circles. I love the beach. It is fun and relaxing. After a while, I read my book. It is about animals. The sun is still bright, but I sit in the shade. There is a big umbrella near me. I feel cool now. The book is easy to read. I read 2 chapters. How many people are on the beach now? There are many. Some come, some go. The beach is busy but nice. I stay for a few more hours. I think this is a great day. In the afternoon, I feel tired. I sit on my towel for a few minutes. I take a deep breath. I look at the sea one more time. The waves are soft and slow now. The beach is not so busy. Some people go home. Some people are still swimming. I drink the last of my water. I pack my bag. I make sure I have everything. Did I take my phone? Yes. Did I take my book? Yes. I put on my sandals. I shake the sand off my towel. I look around. I say goodbye to the sea in my heart. I walk to the bus stop. The sun is not so hot now. The wind is light. It feels nice on my skin. I see a small dog near the road. It runs and plays. I smile. There are a few people waiting for the bus. I stand with them. The bus comes after 10 minutes. I get on. I sit near the window again. I look outside. What do I see? trees, shops, and people. I feel sleepy but happy. I think about the sea, the fish, the ice cream, and the games on the beach. I get off the bus near my house. I walk slowly. My legs feel tired. I go inside. My cat runs to me. She meows. I say hello. I take a shower. The water feels so good. It is warm and clean. After my shower, I sit on the sofa. I look at my phone. I see the photos I took. The sea, the sky, the people. I smile. I send one photo to my friend. I write, "Look at this. The beach was amazing today." Soon it is time for dinner. I make a simple meal. I eat rice, eggs, and some vegetables. I drink a cup of tea. I feel calm. I feel full. I feel happy. At night, I sit in bed. I read one more page of my book. Then I close it. I turn off the light. I think, what a good day. I will go to the beach again soon. I close my eyes. I sleep with a smile.